Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome. My name is Kristen and today we are going to be doing a weekend cleaning routine. These are just things that I'm going to show you that I like to get done on the weekend before Monday comes and the new week starts. It just helps me recharge and refresh and just kind of take on Monday and not feel so overwhelmed. But before we get into the video, I want to introduce you to my new friend that I met here on YouTube. Her name is Carlie Hetrick, and I'm going to show you a little bit of her channel. This is a collab with her today, and I'm so excited to be working with her. Carlie is a mother to a baby girl named Evelyn Grace. She is 10 months old, and actually my youngest and her daughter share the same month birthdays, so that was pretty cool to find out. Plus, if you love my videos, you will love Carlie's videos. She does cleaning videos, motherhood, lifestyle types of videos, and her cleaning motivation is spot on. After you're done watching my video, make sure you pop on over to her. She is also showing her weekend cleaning routine, and I would love for you to see it.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want.
Anybody else lazy like me and I didn't want to walk all the way over here to get scissors? So I will try anything and everything just to open that stupid plastic. So on my weekend cleaning routines, I always start out with meal planning. This meal planner that I just got, I got from Target from the Magnolian line, and I was so happy when I seen it. I didn't even look at the price when I first got it. I just grabbed it because I knew that I wanted it. But it was actually only like $6.99, I believe.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just...
Usually when I meal plan, I have a dinner's idea list of all the dinners that I know that is our go-to, easy to pick from. And then usually if I can't find something from there that we want to eat, I go to Pinterest for most things and try to find something new, but that is quick and easy. After I'm done meal planning, I always either go to the store on Sunday or I do grocery pickup and usually pick it up either Saturday night or Sunday morning. That way we have it all for the week.
You can.
The next thing that I would do after I make my list before I order groceries, I usually come in here and I wipe down all the shelves. I'm not going to do like a big clean, like just the shelves seem to got like really dirty just in the last week. So I need to wipe them down, make sure nothing's expired, make sure there's nothing on my list that I already have. I don't know if you noticed when I wrote my list out, I do kind of put a question mark next to some items, and that's because I'm not sure if we have that in our fridge or pantry already, so I put a question mark next to it. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this out and make sure it is ready for when the new groceries come in.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get huge.
Our biggest laundry day of the week is usually Saturday and Sunday. We do laundry about one to two times usually during the week, but I feel like the weekends is like everything gets washed. I usually do bedding, I do all of our clothes, I do all the kids' clothes, I try to do all the kids' beddings, I do towels, I do all the whites, and we just try to get it done, and we always try to make sure that we have it folded and put away before Monday. That way I'm not stressed and like find a load of dry things in the dryer like 3 days later, but we're not perfect. That does happen quite a bit, but I really try hard to make sure it's all put away by Monday morning. Here's a question for you guys. Where have you found sheets that you love, or a comforter or duvet cover? Comment down below and let me know, because we are in need of all new everything. We're getting ready to do this big huge master bedroom makeover and painting and doing wood accent wall, and I really want new bedding, and we think we might actually get a new headboard and like bed frame, and this might go in our spare bedroom. I haven't quite decided yet, but we do need some new sheets. These ones we've probably had since we got married about almost 6 years ago. Just kidding. The sheets are 4 years old. We've only been married since 2015. That's embarrassing. Oops. Guess it feels like 6. I don't know.
Just keep on moving to the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Feeling trapped down on the floor, I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold, I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way, and face that shit another day. We go bottoms up.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're coming from Carlie's channel, please think about subscribing, and I upload anywhere from 2 to 3 times a week, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more cleaning routines, and I will see you next time. See you later.
Through my car, left me in the cold, chained to what I know, drifter on the road, take it where I go. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go, floating on the waves. We go bottoms up.